What if you could create a fully original children's song?
Playing in the park today, swinging high and low, climbing up the nets.
With real
round
music,
and round,
animated
sliding up
visuals, and
playing
educational
with our
lyrics in under an hour using simple AI tools anyone can try. No music degree, no animation experience, and no expensive software. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that step by step. We'll use Claude to write unique, original lyrics, Suno to generate the actual music, Grok AI to create the animation visuals, and CapCut to bring everything together into one final video. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete workflow you can reuse for any theme, any age group, any style. Let's get into it. The very first step before opening any tool is deciding what your song is about. Before we write a single word, I want you to think about 3 things for your own song. Who is your audience? What do you want them to learn or feel? And what theme excites you? Those 3 answers are all you need to give Claude a great brief. And that's exactly what we're doing next. Open your browser and go to claude.ai. If you don't have an account, it's completely free to sign up. Now, the key to getting great lyrics from Claude is being specific in your prompt. Don't just say, write a kid's song. Give it a theme, a vibe, an age group, and a structure. Look at that. In about 30 seconds, we have a complete structured song. Intro, 2 verses, a repeating chorus, an emotional bridge, a big finale, and a call and response outro. That's the power of having an AI writing partner. You're not stuck with the first draft, it's a conversation. Once you're happy with your lyrics, copy them. We're going to need them in the next step. Now it's time to turn those lyrics into actual music. And for that, we're using Suno, one of the most impressive AI music generators available right now. Go to suno.com. You can sign in with your Google account for free. Suno AI has 2 modes, simple and custom. We're using custom mode because we have our own lyrics and we want full control over the sound. First, paste your lyrics from Claude into the lyrics field. Make sure to include the section labels. Things like verse 1, chorus, bridge. These act as instructions for Suno and help it follow the song structure. Now for the style of music field, here's the prompt I recommend for a bright educational kids song like this one. A good Suno style prompt does 3 things. It sets the energy, it names specific instruments, and it references a sound or style the AI can understand, like PBS Kids style or Coco Melon energy. Now hit create, and Suno will generate 2 versions for you automatically. Incredible, right? That's a fully produced kids song. Melody, vocals, instruments, structure, generated from scratch in under a minute. Always generate 2 or 3 versions and listen to each one. The vocal tone can vary a lot between runs, so it's worth picking the version that feels most natural and bright. Once you have your favorite, download it. Now we have lyrics and music. What we need next are the visuals, the actual animated images and scenes that will appear on screen while the song plays. For this, we're using Grok AI's image generation, and it's going to blow you away. Go to grok.com and sign in. Click on image generation. The secret to great animation style visuals is being very specific about the art style in your prompt. We want this to look like a children's animated series. Bright colors, friendly characters, clean lines. Here's how I prompt for each verse. Let's start with the seeds verse. Beautiful. Now let's do the ants verse. You You can generate one key image per verse, plus a title card, a chorus scene, a bridge scene, and an outro card. For this 2-verse structure, you're looking at about 5 to 6 images total, and each one takes about 10 seconds to generate. Here's a quick tip: keep a consistent art style across all your prompts. Notice I'm always saying flat 3D animation style and children's educational cartoon. That consistency is what makes the final video feel like a real animated show, not just a random collection of images. Now it's time to turn these images into animated clips and use them as individual scenes to create one video. When prompting in Grok, keep your subject, style, and lighting consistent across each clip to maintain smooth continuity. Use clear motion cues and avoid changing too many elements at once. You can adjust it depending on how you like it. It all depends on your visual taste. Now do it to all the images you want to move. Save all of your clips. Now we have everything we need: lyrics, music, and visuals. Time to bring it all together. Now we're in CapCut, the final step where everything comes together. Open a new project and set your aspect ratio. First, drag your Suno audio track into the timeline. This is your foundation. Everything else syncs to the music. Now listen to the song and mark where each section starts: the intro, verse 1, chorus, verse 2, and so on. Use CapCut's markers to pin those moments. This makes syncing your images much easier. Next, drag in your first image, the title card or intro scene, and place it at the very beginning. Stretch it to cover the intro section. Then bring in your verse images one by one, aligning each image to the corresponding section marker. To make it feel animated and alive, add a subtle zoom effect on each clip videos. A slow zoom in on a still image makes a huge difference. It feels like the scene is breathing. Now let's add lyrics as text overlays. For each verse, type the key lyric line and position it at the bottom of the screen. Keep the fonts big, bold, and easy to read. Kids need to see it clearly. Keep text in sync with the beat. Use CapCut's auto caption feature to speed this up, or place them manually if you want full control. Last step, export. Click Export in the top right. Set resolution to 1080p and frame rate to 60 FPS. That's the standard for YouTube. And that is the complete workflow, from a blank page to a fully finished animated kids song using 4 AI tools and 0 prior experience. Here's what I want you to remember. Step 1. Use Claude to build your lyrics. Be specific about theme, structure, and age group. Step 2. Use Suno in custom mode with a detailed style prompt. Step 3. Use Grok AI to generate consistent, flat 3D animation visuals for each section. Step 4. Assemble everything in CapCut with zoom effects and lyric overlays. You don't need a studio. You don't need a team. You need a creative idea and the right prompts. If you try this, I'd love to see what you make. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to ACMC AI Academy. We drop new AI tutorials every week. See you in the next one.
Oh, look, tiny ants.
Hey! How small? Look around you. What do you see?
Wow, this garden is so beautiful.
Big tall buildings, a huge oak tree.
Look at this beautiful
But the
flower.
real
Little insect on the
power-
petal. Look, friendly
You can't
ladybugs.
even spot it.
Over there, bees and caterpillars.
Tiny
Follow
little
me,
things,
up we go.
and they've totally
What
got
a
it.
magical day! Yay!
Tiny but mighty, oh so
I
small.
did it!
The littlest
Whoa,
things can
almost
do
tripped
it
there.
all. You can't always see them, but they're there, working their magic
Use my strength to help you grow, and I'll give you water to thrive. Thank you, friends.
Small things are mighty in disguise.
A tiny little seed falls to the ground. So
butterflies. Let's use this is magic. The magnifying glass.